How to fix Instagram loading error on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open settings and then go to battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled. If you found it like that, just click on it and that's it. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, go to your gallery and just clean some space, delete some photos and videos, or you can clean it from storage here. And if that also doesn't fix it, now go to Play Store and or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, then click on it and then restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now this one for Android phones, go to apps again, type here Instagram and click on it, then force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.